Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. As we move closer to the hot days of summer, most of our early spring crops are going to start to wither away because they cannot stand the heat. And it's a good idea for you to start planting crops that can stand the heat now. One of those types of crops are cowpeas, also known as southern peas or black-eyed peas. Today, we're going to go ahead and harvest some of my black-eyed peas in one bed, and I'm going to discuss doing a second planting of some in another bed. Let's get started. The cowpea, also known as the black-eyed pea or the southern pea, is a versatile legume with a long history of cultivation dating back to Africa and the Americas. It is a nutritious crop that can be used to feed cattle, livestock, and also as a cover crop to improve soil. Cowpeas are dependable in various climates and soil types, making them a valuable resource in various regions. We have previously did a small harvest from this bed. Today, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything that I see. And the leaves, the plants themselves look like they're on their way out. So I'm going to go ahead and probably remove these at some point and then do another planting either in this bed or another raised bed that I have empty. All of these appear to be ready to be picked, and some of them I've actually left on the plants a little longer than what I wanted to, and they have dried out. A lot of peas. Okay, that's just about it for the peas in this bed. There are a few that I left that are not ripe or ready to be picked, but for the most part, everything has been picked clean of the plants in this bed. And I'll show you where I'm contemplating putting more. So here's the harvest of the peas that we got. You'll notice that some are dried, some are on their way to being dried, and then some are still green. But they're good to be shelled, and then they can go with the other harvests that I've already gotten. This is the bed that we recently harvested Northern red potatoes out of, and it has corn in it, but the corn, to be truthful, looks a hot mess. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the corn, and I'm going to plant black-eyed peas, either black-eyed peas or the Mississippi purple hull pea, which is similar to the black-eyed pea, in this bed. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the stalks down, level off the soil some, and then I don't think I really need to add any more amendments into the bed because the bed was very healthy to begin with. And then we'll go ahead and plant the seeds. So let's get started. So we got the bed leveled off and we cleaned it up a little bit. And I have Mississippi purple hull peas and California black-eyed peas. And both are from Haas Tools. I have a link for them on my website. What I'm going to do is do a double row if I have enough seeds of the black-eyed peas, and a double row if I have enough seed of the Mississippi purple hull. And all I'm going to do, as I do in any planting, is dig a furrow along the side of the drip tape. Like this. And we have one on this side, and we'll do one on this side. And we'll do these 2 rows with the black-eyed peas. And I'm gonna space them apart every few 4 inches maybe. I'm just dropping one, and we'll proceed on down the line. Okay, we got all of them in. Now we're just gonna lightly cover them. And just like that, we have the black-eyed peas planted. We'll go over to the other side and do the purple hulls. So we got the purple hull planted as well as the black-eyed pea. The black-eyed pea is a little bigger and creamier, and the purple hull is smaller and rounder. Pretty much have the same nutty taste, and they're very nutritious, and they're good for your beds as far as a cover crop. Even if you weren't going to eat them, they make real good cover crops to keep your soil from becoming barren and dried out. And overall, they're good for your garden. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for my family and myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.